Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And see the time 7:52, 21st January, and today I am here to give my study update. As I decided to complete my science and tech in 2 weeks, from 12th January to 25th January. So let's see. I completed only 3 targets. Still these targets are left. Today I am doing science and tech. So from morning I was only doing science and tech, but some of the target has been left. Okay, and I have decided to do geography PYQ as I already completed my geography. So now with science and tech I am doing geography PYQ. Some of the PYQs are left, but I'm sure that till 25 I will be able to complete. And CSAT. So my January target is to complete quant and logical reasoning, and there are total 20 lectures and only 9 I completed. I need to do 10. That means one day, one lecture I have to complete till 31st. Okay, and I studied so less today as I woke up at 11 a.m. Yes, and I completed this, and this I completed half only. Okay, I need to do it. I will finish this till night. Okay. Okay, I need to do hard work more, and I'm giving tests like this. See, the 28 marks I got from 50, and I'm giving my test like this so that I can write my mistakes also and what I was thinking when I was giving test. And this just short notes or the thing I forget. Okay, so let's see I will able to complete my target or not till 25, and CSAT till 31st. Okay, stay with me. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.